Welcome back. Right now, let's get underway with your cruising pictures and music by Eric Stone.
Blackened fish sandwich, blackened fish sandwich, oh, blackened fish sandwich, blackened fish sandwich. I don't like chicken, I don't eat beef. If it's on my dinner plate, it comes from the reef. I use my spear gun to fill my dish with a tasty grouper or a mahi-mahi fish. In a bowl of butter, I add cayenne, cover up the whole fillet, then begin frying. That pan get real hot, it smoke up my shack. My fish is ready when the whole damn thing is black. Blackened fish sandwich, blackened fish sandwich, oh, blackened fish sandwich, blackened fish sandwich. My girlfriend came home with some Burger King wrapped in yellow paper.
Okay, get ready to stretch. Time now for another new feature. Yoga on Board with Kim Hess.
I love sailing, I love yoga, and I love sharing what I learn with others. Bringing these passions together is the opportunity of a lifetime. Hi, my name is Kim Hess, and this is Yoga on Board. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to incorporate a yoga practice into your sailing lifestyle. This week we're bringing our practice into the cockpit. The next time you find yourself on a night watch or just at the end of a long day and you need to wake up a little bit, try this. Come into a cockpit staff pose. Firmly plant both feet on the sole of the cockpit. Lengthen the spine and just sit nice and tall, using the breath to create space within the body. Close your eyes and breathe. Stretch and open the torso. Bring yourself into a nice gentle twist. Now you may be thinking you do this already. Next time you do it, notice how much awareness is there. Use the breath to take you just a little deeper. Feel the connection. We can also bring our forward folds into the cockpit. Extend one leg up onto the settee. Keep the other leg firmly planted on the sole of the cockpit. Rotate the body just as we did on the foredeck with head to knee pose. Bring the body forward, keeping the spine nice and long, and breathe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next week. Namaste.